Everyone wants bright, vibrant, and flawless skin. But sometimes, achieving that glowing complexion can be a bit of a challenge. While there are numerous skincare products available on the market today, many people are turning to natural remedies to achieve healthier and brighter skin. These remedies are not only cost-effective but also free from harsh chemicals that can potentially harm the skin. In this summary, we will explore some of the most effective natural remedies for brighter skin. One of the simplest and most accessible natural remedies for brighter skin is to stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps flush out toxins from the body, resulting in a clearer complexion. Water also helps to moisturize the skin from within, preventing dryness and promoting a healthy glow. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day to keep your skin nourished and radiant. Another natural remedy for brighter skin is exfoliation. Regularly exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing the fresh and youthful skin beneath. You can make your own exfoliating scrub at home using simple ingredients like sugar or coffee grounds mixed with a carrier oil, such as olive or coconut oil. Gently massaging this mixture onto your skin in circular motions helps to slough off dead cells and improve blood circulation. The result is a brighter complexion and improved skin texture. One popular natural remedy for brighter skin is the use of lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which acts as a natural exfoliant and skin lightener. Applying fresh lemon juice onto the skin not only helps to remove dead skin cells but also brightens dark spots and blemishes. However, lemon juice can be drying, so it is important to dilute it with water or mix it with a moisturizing ingredient like honey before applying it to the skin. Additionally, lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it is advisable to use it in the evening and always wear sunscreen during the day. Another widely used natural remedy for brighter skin is aloe vera. Aloe vera has powerful moisturizing and healing properties that can help soothe and nourish the skin. It also contains antioxidants that promote skin rejuvenation and brightening. Applying fresh aloe vera gel onto your face and leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off can help improve your complexion and give you a natural glow. You can also find aloe vera in various skincare products, such as moisturizers and masks, for added convenience. In addition to these natural remedies, certain dietary changes can also contribute to brighter skin. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables provides the necessary vitamins and minerals that support skin health. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits are especially beneficial for brighter skin due to their high content of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and promote a youthful complexion. Including foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, nuts, and seeds, can also help maintain healthy and glowing skin. Furthermore, getting enough sleep is crucial for a bright and healthy complexion. During sleep, our body repairs and rejuvenates the skin, resulting in a more refreshed appearance. Lack of sleep can cause dullness, dark circles, and an overall tired appearance. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to give your skin the rest it needs to regenerate and look its best. While natural remedies can be highly effective in achieving brighter skin, it is important to note that everyone's skin is different. What works well for one person may not have the same effect on another. It is always recommended to perform a patch test before trying any new remedy, especially if you have sensitive skin or any skin conditions. Additionally, consistency is key when using natural remedies. Results may not be immediate, so it is important to be patient and continue with your chosen remedy for several weeks to see noticeable improvements. In conclusion, achieving brighter and more radiant skin doesn't have to involve expensive skincare products or harsh chemicals. By incorporating natural remedies into your skincare routine, you can nourish and brighten your skin in a gentle and cost-effective way. Whether it's staying hydrated, exfoliating regularly, using lemon juice or aloe vera, making dietary changes, or prioritizing quality sleep, these natural remedies can help you achieve the glowing complexion you desire. Embrace the power of nature and enjoy the benefits of healthier and brighter skin.